What's good, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request from Mark over on Patreon. So this is a kind of a different one. Don't get a lot of these requests for like Dragon Ball eyes. So this is Goku Super Saiyan 1 eyes. Fairly straightforward now, Dragon Ball eyes. So we got this frowning W. I'm on like a big page because my pen puts down a big line. This works on any size paper, all the way down to A4 if your pen is sharp enough or your pencil is sharp enough. So let's just go for it. So we got that W shape that Dragon Ball characters have in the middle of their forehead. And we can go a bit more detailed with this than usual because we're so big. Right? So it's like a W. And then we have the tick line for the eye that comes out from there. So it curves around. This is probably a quick one because it's, there's not as much detail in drawings like this. So we go start this way and then it curves like all the way up, like back to here. Okay, so you gotta go gradually. Well, I've seen some of them curve, I've seen some of them not curve. Down, right? So we'll just straighten this up a bit. Right, and then it's like a square end. Quite wide, and then it curves down and goes all the way. Kind of flicks up here. Okay. And we got like some lines on the edge, and we do the same over the other side. Right, and then it's a square end. And then comes back down. Boop. Some hatching on the end there. And he also has some like frowning hatching lines on his eyebrow. You know, this kind of a thing. Like for his brow. Just to make him look a bit angrier. So that's the eyebrows, basically. Maybe some like wrinkle lines on the nose and stuff. So Dragon Ball eyes, small line. This one is like a capital T, right? So it's perpendicular from the line, the small one. This one's diagonal then. So it becomes, I'd say like a 7 here, if you were to do it this way. So, right? And then your bottom line that connects them is usually curved. Usually. Okay. Do the same over here. So do that 7 sort of. And then the T. And then we will curve that together. And then the irises. So he just has green eyes when he's Super Saiyan, so no pupils. So you just do like a half circle. Come there. If you want to use a compass or something to get that like perfect circle, you can. Like that. And of course this is just colored green, with kind of like a light green highlight sort of under here. So then the cheek marks, just these curving lines going that way. And we'll do the same over here. Like so. And that is it, Mark. Thanks for the Patreon request. I'll get on to the next one as quickly as I can. I think it was Majin Vegeta's eyes with the M. Yeah, Super Saiyan 1. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.